Hey Mercedes, how's it going? This is Max. I had messaged you on Facebook, and this is the screencast that I promised you. So, really, the general gist here is to show you that you can build a website that can help rank in Google and start ranking for these select key terms that are being searched by your consumers every month. And I know that because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's over 400 searches every month for a painter in Greensboro, North Carolina. Okay, as you can see, I picked Gasper Garcia painting just as to show you kind of what they're doing to their website, and how if you were to build your website in such a way you could outrank them just in the process of rebuilding your website and doing a few things to help rank over them, and then be in this top organic spot and in the map pack as well. Okay, so if we take their website here and I just copy everything on their homepage, including what these images are saved as, and just every word here, and I throw it into this word counter, it shows me that they have 683 words on their homepage. And that's great. However, Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And so because they do not reach that quota, if you guys had 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, then you could easily outrank them with your content. And of course, Google is going to rank you for whatever your content is most relevant to. So if you have these exact keywords here on your homepage, then Google's going to rank you for those keywords. So you could get 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and then you guys would be able to rank over them because you'd have more authoritative content. And if you had those exact match keywords, then you would become a lot more relevant to those terms that your consumers are searching for. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks. And really all that a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take their URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs again, this is going to show me the back end of their website. And it's going to show me that currently they have 8 backlinks coming from 4 different websites. Okay, this is extremely easy to overcome. Obviously, this is their health rating, and there's not even enough data for Google to really tell how healthy their website is. Okay, and really, in case you're not completely sure what a backlink is, it's kind of a link like this that links to your homepage of a website. However, this is a temporary no-follow link. It's not passing any power just because it's a result from this random search on this search engine. So if you had a link like this on a painting blog or something relevant to Greensboro, North Carolina, then that would pass a lot more power, and these backlinks would be a lot more relevant to what you're trying to rank for, and then your health and your trust rating would go up here. Okay, and as you can see, this is your competition, and it's going to be pretty easy to overcome this. So if you had your content, you could outrank them there, and then here on the back end, you could outrank them as well and have a healthier site. Okay. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is a type of backlink, and it actually has everything to do with getting in this Google Map Pack. And so that type of backlink is called a citation. And all that is just the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, even Facebook has a directory, stuff like that, that is going to verify that you are a actual business with a physical address and phone number, and you're not just some website out there. Okay, that's going to get you in this map pack, and this map pack gets about 25% more clicks, which is 25% more business and money than these organic searches do down here. But even these organic searches are invaluable, and I can show you that with this. this conversion rate here. Okay, so as you saw, there was right around, we'll just say 400 searches every month, just because some of these are only 10 searches. So we'll just say you're going to want to go after these keywords. So 400 searches every month. So 400, and then this typically gets about a 30% click rate. So about 30% of those are going to click on your website. That's an extra 120 people on your website. And then about 40% of those end up giving you a call or entering their information in through a lead form. That's an extra 48 leads per month just by ranking here organically. Okay, so as you can imagine, that's quite a bit of business, and that's quite a bit of money. I can let you do the rest of the math based on your conversion rate, how much you close, whether that's 80 or 50%, and then how much your average job profit is. And then that can just show you how much money there is to be made right here on this front page of Google. Okay, so anyways, I just figured I would share that with you. I saw your husband's post in the Painters Helping Painting or whatever it was Facebook page. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I do ask just for a little bit of feedback on the video. Just let me know how it was and what your thoughts were of it. Other than that, I appreciate your time and thank you.